Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll walk you through how to fix the Windows installation error 0x80070001. Let's start with step 1 using disk cleanup. First, open the start menu, type disk cleanup, and then click the top result. Next, make sure temporary internet files is checked. You can also review the other checkboxes. Feel free to check anything else you'd like to remove. Just make sure you don't need the files first. After that, click OK and then choose Delete Files. This will take a while, so just wait for it to finish. Once that's done, go ahead and reopen Disk Cleanup, but this time click Cleanup System Files. Now select Windows Update Cleanup. Click OK again and choose Delete Files. This step might take a few minutes to complete, especially if it hasn't been run in a while, so just be patient and wait for it to complete. Let's move on to step 2, editing the registry. Click Start, type regedit, right-click Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. If you see a user account control prompt, just click Yes to continue. Once the registry editor is open, navigate to the following location that I have shown on the screen right here. You can just follow the exact path I am clicking right now. On the right side, look for and delete these specific values I have shown on the screen. If they're present, you can either right-click and select Delete or just press the Delete key on your keyboard. When you're done, close the registry editor and restart your computer. At this point, the error should be resolved. If not, you might want to try a different fix. If this helped you, take a look at our other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.